As you can see on my screen, under the Apple ID settings, Find My is grayed out due to one of these two reasons that I am sharing with you. First is access new Apple's terms and conditions to enable Find and iCloud services. As you can see on my iPhone screen, you will find the new iCloud terms and conditions message under the Settings app. You can accept from here or under the Apple ID name displayed on the screen. Tap on the blue link to accept the terms and agree at the bottom of the screen. Again, confirm with the Agree button. Please wait a few seconds, and I have fixed my problem with iCloud and found my disabled. Second solution might help you if you enable account restriction from Settings. Under the Screen Time, scroll to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter your iPhone Screen Time passcode and select Allow for account changes. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't miss to like, share and subscribe for more helpful fix.